Check it out, guys. This is Dan with Mac Property Redevelopment, here to present you our newest purchase. The property is located in Anaheim, California, minutes away from Disneyland. 10201 Day Este Drive. Okay, we purchased this property for $500,000. We plan to put about $70,000 into it. If we're lucky, maybe 60. Shooting for 70, and we plan to sell it for $700,000. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of the inside. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful neighborhood. Love it. Minutes away from Disneyland. I could not be more excited for this flip, guys. Can't wait to see what you guys think. Show you a little bit of the inside of here. Look at that. Oh, I'll show you what that is in a minute. Check it out. This is garage. See all that dust that just came out? Holes everywhere. Take a look at the roof. That is shot. About to walk you guys indoors. This is a garage. One of the guys used to live in here, the tenants I should say. But I'll walk up into the living room. That also leads to the kitchen and the family room, where the chimney is. You see all this. All this. We'll get to the backyard in a minute. Huh. Yeah, good thing that's locked. Kind of just walking through this whole thing, making sure nobody's in here. Don't know what all that was, but looked like something. Got all these spider webs all over me, dude. Walking through it all. Yes. Cute little bedroom. This is me. Toilet. Guess you got 2 bathtubs. Interesting. Well, let me take you guys to the backyard. See, guys, it's a lot of work. Just more of a mess than anything. Nothing we haven't done before. Again, just want to make sure that nobody's in here. Nice big avocado tree. Some avocados. Look at all this. This was everything they had inside. Actually, this is more like probably half of what they had inside. They were nice enough to throw all their junk out of the house and into the backyard. The hell is that? It's a Jerusalem bug or something. I forget what they're called, but yeah. Guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. Let me know what you guys thought. Let me know what was most surprising about the property. Just just to recap, we purchased it for $500,000. We plan to put about $60,000 to $70,000 into it. That's our budget. That's our rehab budget. But we also plan to sell it for $700,000. So let me know what you guys think. Be sure to like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. That we can stay up to date with our newest flips. We have another one that's hopefully going to close next month. So we just got the offer accepted yesterday. We plan to get that one. Well, actually, I'll save that for the next video. That'll be the next video. We'll walk you through the whole property. Just waiting on a couple disclosures from the owner, and then really let you guys know exactly what the deal with that one is. That one's going to be a real great one too. You're going to love the before and after. The plans that we have for that, it's going to be amazing. All right, guys, take it easy.